What is up, guys? Let's do a market recap on this Friday. Just took 2 losses and overall traded with our new friend G. Love that. Very good guy. But let's talk about these losses. So, going into the morning, so on the 4 hour, as you can see, this whole model has kind of completed itself. As you see, like we came down, took sell side, move up, don't wick buy side, create more, generate buy side liquidity, come down, retrace into equilibrium. Then launch up to buy side, take buy side, but also create more buy side. Come back down, turtle soup these lows in this fair value gap. Move back up, chop, chop, chop. Move back up, big displacement. Sweep these highs, back to all-time highs. So you're at all-time highs, so there's going to be less probable price action and less probable trades just because you're at all-time highs. There's nothing to really to base your bias off of. You have to wait for structure to validate it. And yeah, so back to the 4 hour real quick. So we were in this 4 hour imbalance right here, and I was like, price probably gonna go higher after that. Price is probably gonna go higher. Now we had, what was it, NFP today? I think it's called. Let's see. Yeah, NFP today. Big news thing. So we'll go down to the 15 minute. 15 minute bullish. Obviously, everything's bullish, but we'll go down to the 5 minute. So you have NFP that comes out right at 8:30, and you get a big wick high and a big wick low. Those are your data highs and data lows. So NAS comes up, takes data high, creates an SMT with here, creates an SMT with ES or an SPX, whatever you call it. Yeah, like you can see it right here, just to show you guys. When we create that, and then with an SMT, it's gonna take the most recent low. So then SPX sells off and takes data lows, but NAS does not. So then we have this SMT right here. Yep. Right here. So we have 2 SMTs now. And this is kind of where I started to get tunnel vision, maybe married to a bias, one could say. And so we take these there and these there. Now we still haven't taken data highs on SPX yet, but we're done with this. We don't need anything else. We have this SMT, but I'm on the 1 minute and I'm looking at this. I'm like, okay, we have the SMT at top. This looks really clean to me right here as a market maker sell model. You have generated down here. You have the data lows down here. I don't know why that says highs. So you have data lows. You have the original consolidation. You come up, come down, create sell side. Come up, come down, create sell side. Well, before this. You have an SMT at the highs. You get big displacement down. This is clean displacement in my opinion. We'll do a replay. If you're looking at this, there's 2 things that invalidates this market maker sell model. One is there's no high time frame P/E array that would usually be up here like this. Like say maybe it's a 1 hour fair value gap or something along those lines, which you would like to see. Also, there's an SMT right here that also invalidates it. That's what makes me want to go into this trade with low risk because I'm still interested in the trade. There's still possibility. It's potential good risk to reward, so we're not mad at that at all. And so price is doing its thing. I'm like, okay. And what we don't do, so we come down, we get a market structure shift, clear displacement, fair value gaps, but we don't take this low yet. So essentially we're creating more sell side. We're generating more liquidity. We come back up. Now I think I wait till we come all the way back up slowly right there. I think I entered, not there, but around, I waited until we touched that. So my entry was somewhere like in here. 70-75. I think this was my entry. Now I had my stops up here at first, but then I just put them like right above the fair value gap, and I was targeting the bottom because this is the model I'm trading here. This is my model. This is what I want to see. We'll get rid of this because it's not there. Because what is a market maker sell model or buy? Original consolidation, move up, move down, move up, move down, displacement. Now I think 1, if we have this higher time frame P/E rate, and 2, if we didn't get this SMT right here, if this isn't an SMT, I would say 10 times out of 10 this trade right here will do exactly this. We came up and we will instantly sell straight off. But since we have a SMT, that's what invalidates it and probably makes it not the most valid trade. So that's my entry right there. We get a move down right there. Chop, 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 chop. Yep, I get exactly wicked out. This is exactly what happened to me. wicked out. So I'm out there for low size, and this is where I kind of messed up. Now, I was married to a bias, so we've already disrespected this 5-minute fair value gap, so now it is acting as a inverse fair value gap. And my dumbass, I'm seeing this, I'm like, I still think we can go lower, but I mean, if you just look at action right now, we come up, come down, respect this inverse, come up, come down, respect, come up, come down, respect. I'm like, oh, now this is clean displacement, don't get me wrong, but it's just a retracement into this inverse fair value gap to go take buy side, whatever, market sell side. I was kind of tunnel visioned, I didn't see that, so what do? I re-enter short, not right, it's like right around here, and I have my stops like here or something. Basically, I'm married to this bias. I want to see this play out. I think it's going to play out. I'm like, okay, we got clean displacement. We're going to retrace, come down, and go. But look, we come up. I enter like here. I think my stop's like that. So overall, not a bad risk reward. That's why I was happy with it. But, I mean, quiz time, like what really is this move right here? It is a retest into the inverse fair value gap. That's all it is. It's not a move to go lower. That's where I missed. I was too zoomed in essentially. Essentially I get straight stopped out. I'm not even, I think I lost not even 0.5% on the day. This week was one of my, I mean, it wasn't even a bad trading week. I lost 2 sets of trades and they weren't bad. Yeah, today I lost $200. That's 0.02% of an account. Not bad at all. So I get stopped out there. That was the thing. Now, there really wasn't much trades today or many entries. I mean, we can go back to real time. We take buy side. I don't know what price I'm going to do. I'm probably sell off now. I don't know. But there's like 4 overall things that makes this not, that is what makes this not the best necessary setup. So it's probably like a C setup. The setup is really clean. It's just the conditions and probability that we're in. 1, there's a bullish SMT. 2, there's no high time frame PDA rate to reject off of for the market maker sell model. 3, data high is already taken. 4, it's Friday, market was closed yesterday, and it's going on lunchtime. But overall, not terrible. Could be better. Will be better, but yeah, that's the market today. It's 2 losses on the day, but very small losses. And yeah, I mean, it happens. They're not bad losses though. I'm not mad at them. I went in with low size because I know that conditions aren't as probable and stuff like that. And I didn't full port or try to chase these wins. Now, the only thing that's really bad is kind of my second entry, just because looking back on it, I mean, it's clear that it's not there. It's clear that we're just going into this inverse right here. But you live and you learn. And yeah, that's all I have for you guys. Thank you so much. Market recap day 7-5. Thank you.